Now we back to machine home. 9. Press number 9. Okay, machine home. Now the machine home. You continuous. Now setting A0 on 8 A0. Now then we setting how to setting the Y0 to come move to there. High speed, high continuous, fast continuous. A exists. Now come down. Fast step. Press 7, number 7. Press number 7. We're setting. Now we're going to setting Y0. We move to setting Y0. Fast step. On and 4 together, Y0 together. Okay, because on and 4, you just need you're setting only one time, Y0 and A0 one time. In future, no need setting anymore for A and Y. So if you want to go to setting X0, the same way. Go out. 看这里。Okay. For example, your leg is here, so you setting X0 on and 4. It's X0. Okay. And then you're setting Z0 here. Z0. Come down. You're setting Z0 here. Okay, Z0. Now put this one here. On and 4. On and menu. So it's running now. You can put under the tools. Touch the material and the steel. Don't touch plastic. Okay, that's done. That's finished. Z0 finished. So in this moment, X0, Y0, Z0, A0 is finished. So normally you just setting. In future, you just setting X0 and Z0 is enough. X0 and Z0 is enough. Because in the Y0 and A0 is forever, no change. So you don't need to set it anymore. So in future, you just if you want to put new sample, just machine home. You just back to machine home, then you put on the new sample. That's enough because the AX is already Z0. But A0 with the machine 0 is the same position. So you just back to machine home. The A0 machine home is the A0 already. So now this moment you can put on the new sample or the A0. Now this is A0. So no need setting A0 and Y0 anymore. So if you back, if you already put on the new sample, so you just because you have to setting. You put on the new sample. You just back to orange. Orange is program home. Orange double. Put double. Then it will be back because your sample, each sample are different lengths. So just maybe the X0 is different. X0 different. So you just setting X0 again. X0 again only. So and just setting X0, maybe your tools is change. Maybe your tools change. You can setting Z0 once again. So just the X0 and the Z0 normally you have to set up. So in the A0 and the Y0 no need to do anymore. Again, if you're setting Z0, normally just setting X0 and Z0. Keep it. You use the hand keep it. So back to program home. Now you want to start, if you want to go to copy the menu and operate file number 5, operate file and copy and delete. Doing the same way. Copy, you just put the USB and copy and just confirm OK from the USB to the internal. Delete, you just delete a new file inside. Just delete, OK, delete. Then if you want to running, just running. If you want to running, just internal OK, delete 0.2, increase speed, or reduce speed. In the beginning slowly. Look at there. So, okay, now it's running. Cancel, if you want to cancel, just stop it. Cancel and stop it. You can, okay, run again. We set new X0, okay, new X0. We change the position. Run, then internal, then okay. Delete 0.2, okay. Now it's running now. It's already running. So even the rough file or finishing file, they're doing the same way, same method. And just this is for increase speed, then reduce speed. So you can see before I show you. This one you can also in the menu you check the line number, source number 220, 240. You can then we remember it. Cancel. Okay. This is safe break now. Safe break. If you come back, if you tomorrow come back to, if you want to continue to work, you just if you want to continue work. For example, now it's switch off, now it's work off. Now tomorrow you come back to work. We continue to work. So we don't want from the beginning. So we from the middle. So just first now you have to continue. So how to make step. So okay, or when you switch on the machine, you must be back to machine home. All axis. Okay. This fallback machine home every time when you switch on the machine. Then okay, this is back to orange, back to program home. This is program home. You must be do every time when you switch on the machine. Okay, run and high together. Okay, come down, resume work. Then this one, you save the break, you save the file. You save it because you want to from the 220 delete. Oh, okay, 300. Okay, we remember 300. You can go back a little bit. Again, you can back to 310. No problem. Then okay. Then you can increase, reduce speed. 0.2. Okay. Now it started running. The spin motor started running. Now we continue. It's not from the beginning. So increase speed. 0.5. This is how to use it. How to operate the machine. I show everything in the video. Okay, now it's done. It's nothing else. Okay, all the step.